How to enable cookies on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Safari and tap on it. You are now in the Safari settings page. This area provides access to various settings, including search engine selection, autofill options, privacy features like preventing cross-site tracking, and content blockers. You can also customize the tab bar layout and manage how links open. Here, scroll down to the end and go to Advanced. Over here, make sure to turn the Block All Cookies feature off. Following these steps, you can easily enable cookies on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.